Shaped egg this morning. Yeah. I don't know if you can tell on camera, it's a little weird. It's pointy and going over to one side. You see it?
That's a weird egg.
We're making a sausage burrito breakfast casserole this morning. I'm gonna preheat the oven to 375. We're gonna cook the sausage right here.
Can I help with the dough?
Yeah, with the tortilla shells.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can help. It's gonna be like a deconstructed breakfast burrito casserole. I was actually gonna do a breakfast burrito lasagna, but I don't have enough tortilla shells for that. So we're gonna slice them up and make it like a casserole instead. While I'm getting the sausage ready, you can slice these up for me, okay? I'm pretty sure our little spreader here will do the trick. Let's see. I'm just gonna take this and cut it like that and then break it. This is just a little spreader, but it'll work for slicing these tortilla shells. Probably gonna have to do one at a time, like little pieces like that. Okay?
Oh, okay.
Can you do that? Just little pieces like that?
Yeah.
There you go. I'm gonna get the sausage going over here. Oh, that was close. Oh, I'm glad that mat was there, or that would have broken.
Yep.
That would have been bad, wouldn't it? I'm trying to find my, yeah, there it is. I'm going to use this casserole dish for it. This one. I'm making a lot of noise this morning, ain't I?
There, now it's coming out good.
We're going to need salsa and cheese. We have the Fiesta Blend cheese already shredded. Then I have some mild and the green taco sauce over here. And we need eggs and milk. Okay, sausage is ready.
Tortilla is ready to get.
I'm going to spray the casserole dish. First I'm putting just a little bit of salsa in there. And we'll dump in all the sausage. Huh?
When's it gonna be ready?
Just about 25 minutes. I think we need a little more salsa in there. We'll save some to go on top. Let me grab the tortilla shells. You got them ready?
Yeah. Oh, we actually need this. The spreader.
Actually, I don't think I needed, I probably just needed two for how I'm doing it since I'm just doing the pieces here. You know what I think we'll do? I was gonna mix them. I think we'll just put them on top. And in that case, we didn't really have to slice them up, but actually it'll be a little easier to
Cut it.
yeah, cut into it when we get ready to eat it. How'd you know, Manny? I know right now what you're thinking. What's happening, but that's okay. Just everybody just hang on. We're gonna put some cheese on top. And so you can't see where we sliced them because the cheese is gonna be on top, but we won't have to worry about fighting to cut that tortilla shell, you know, to scoop into it since they're already sliced.
Yeah.
These I think we'll just drizzle over the top at the end instead of putting it in the casserole, and we have extra salsa for that and some sour cream. We'll scoop this over to the side. In this bowl I've got 5 eggs. We're just going to whisk them together. And you'll need just about a 1/4 cup to a 1/2 cup of milk. Okay, we're going to put some salt and pepper. Just a few crushed red pepper flakes. A little bit of chili powder. I'm just kind of putting my own little taco seasoning in here. And a little ground cumin, if we can find it. There it is. Okay. And we're going to pour this right over the top. All right, 20 minutes at 375, and we'll be ready to eat. We've still got about 15 minutes on the casserole. Today I'm going to be working on these walls out here on the back porch because where we get so much rain and so much humidity, there's a lot of buildup happening on the walls. You can see I already wiped this one down earlier this morning, this one and this one here, so you can see the difference. So I'm going to get it nice and clean back here today. Uh-oh. They left their Uno cards on the picnic table the other day. Guess we'll be having to get new Uno cards because it's rained many times since, I think that was Saturday. I'm just using this fantastic cleaner and scrubbing, and it's bringing it right off. That's a big difference, but I have a lot more wall to go. I gotta go up there, here, and that door needs to be wiped down. This is all that's left of the cinnamon swirl pecan bread we made yesterday. It's so good. The only reason this is left is because the kids didn't know what I did with it. They didn't know this was it because I had it covered like this. Looking good, just about 5 more minutes. This one's a winner. Add it to the breakfast plan. You won't be sorry.